When an outside air conditioning unit fails to turn on, there are several common reasons that may be the cause. A tripped circuit breaker is one possibility. Power surges can cause the breaker to trip, cutting off power to the unit and preventing it from turning on. This is a protective mechanism designed to prevent damage to the unit. A dirty air filter is another potential issue, as debris and dust can clog the drain line and condenser coil, affecting the unit's performance and potentially preventing it from turning on. Additionally, the indoor power switch may be turned off, which can be easily overlooked since it resembles a regular light switch. To resolve these issues, one can try checking the circuit breaker by locating it on the home's circuit panel and flipping it off and then on. Replacing a dirty air filter with a new one is also a simple solution. It's recommended to replace the filter every 3 months. Checking the indoor power switch and turning it on if necessary is another step. If the problem persists, resetting the indoor unit may be the solution. By identifying and addressing these common issues, fixing a non-functioning outside air conditioning unit can be a relatively straightforward process.